Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to move your USDC from Binance to Crypto.com in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check the steps to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're diversifying your crypto holdings or just switching platforms, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Crypto.com. You'll need USDC in your Binance wallet and the receiving address from Crypto.com ready. Why? Because crypto transfers require precision to ensure your funds arrive safely. Start by opening the Binance app or website and logging in securely. Once you're in, head to the Wallet section. This is where you manage your assets. Select USDC from your list of holdings. It's usually under the Spot wallet. Now, look for the Withdraw button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Next, you need the Crypto.com wallet address. Open your Crypto.com app, go to your USDC wallet, and copy the deposit address. Be extra careful here. Double-check that it's for USDC and not another token, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Binance, and specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so factor those in. Before confirming, review everything. The address, the amount, and the network. It should be the same for both platforms, like ERC20 or BEP2. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation code via email or SMS. Enter that to finalize. Now, the waiting game begins. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Crypto.com wallet to confirm the USDC has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer. Pro tip: always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication for security. That's it, you've successfully withdrawn your USDC. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.